Hello students, hope you are doing well. So here we have a text where the directions for the questions is there is a passage below is accompanied by a set of questions. We need to choose the best answer to each question. Well, let's look into the text. I hope you understood the text. Um, the text clearly give the idea about what means idea about the how anthropology specializes on the particular group of human beings, which itself is a part of the larger particular group of living beings. And at the same time, also it gives us the idea that how the relationship between anthropology, history, and science, and it presents the idea that anthropology as a branch of biology offers insights into the true essence of life, particularly the lives of human beings. So even it also gives at the end of it that um, the that living beings, especially humans, are subject to an evolutionary process that is inherently historical, defining the essence of anthropology and biology in scientific studies. Well, now let's look into the question here. I hope you um, read the text and also draw the kind of main idea which I told you in the previous uh, question. Now, look into this particular question. What does it try to say? It tries to say that according to the passage, which of the following studies resemble history in their approach and form? Now, if I look into this particular one, which of the following studies resemble history in their approach and form? Now, let's look into each and every option and analyze them. Option 1 stated biology and anthropology. Second, ethics and physics. Third, ethics and anthropology. Fourth, ethics, anthropology, and physics. Now, if I say that the passage states what? The passage states, but, isn't it? But you will perhaps object. Anthropology was previously identified with history. Now it is identified with science, namely with a branch of biology. And biology finds that it cannot conveniently abstract away the reference to time. Now, it is stated in the second paragraph where it is clearly stated, but you will perhaps object. Anthropology was previously identified with history and now it is identified with science, namely with a branch of biology. Isn't it? So, and then after it is stated, is history science? The answer is yes. I know that a great many people who call themselves historians say that it is not, apparently on the ground, that when it comes to writing history, truth for truth's sake is apt to bring out the wrong results, isn't it? So you can say that the ideas pertinent to it is what? Now, and biology finds that it cannot conveniently abstract away the reference to time. It cannot treat living things as machines. What does it do then? It takes the form of history. For science, at any rate, uh, which departmentalizes the world and studies it bit by bit, there is no getting over the fact that living beings in general, living beings in general, and human beings in particular are subject to what? Subject to, you can say that an evolution, which is a simple matter of history. Taking this into consideration only, if you look into that, the first one, option one, biology and anthropology fits, right or not? So, option one fits in since biology and anthropology resemble history in that, right? History in that they cannot abstract away. They cannot abstract away, abstract away the reference to time. Therefore, like history, biology, and anthropology are both time dependent or evolve with time. They're not time dependent like physics, right? Physics. So, but if you look into that, option 2, 3, and 4 can be eliminated as ethics, 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 right? So, is not introduced in the passage, and the correct answer is option 1, isn't it? So, ethics given in option 2, 3, 4 are not given in the text. So, therefore, answer option should be 1. I hope you understood it. That's all.